Yo, what's good? I'm the Grooming Guy. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning back in. If you are new here, we review a men's grooming product once a week. Anyway, today we're doing something a little new to the channel. We're gonna be doing an unboxing video. So I had a company called Lavie reach out to me, I wanna say about a month now. It was probably a month or so ago. They reached out and wanted me to review their skincare line. And so I checked out their website. It's lavielabs.com. Jumped on their website, decided to check it out. It looked like it was more for females, so I kind of was hesitant initially, but after reading more on their website, it's a product that both men and women can use. So I thought that was pretty cool, pretty interesting. Rarely do you come across any kind of skincare line that's, you know, both male and female can use. So I thought that was really cool. And I'll show you, so we're gonna be unboxing here for you guys on the 4 products they sent me. But initially, checking out the packaging, looks pretty girly to me, you know what I mean? So definitely hesitant to try it, but they want me to try it for 2 weeks and 4 different products. This is the Velvet Micro Exfoliating Cream. This is supposed to cleanse your pores, polish away dead skin cells, and this is a 1.69 ounce jar, I guess. We'll find out exactly what it looks like here in a second. But so this guy is talking about the cost for you guys at least. All their products are, at least on their website, 59 bucks is what you're looking at. And regular price is $100 and sale price 59 bucks supposedly, but we all know kind of how websites work and all that stuff. But so keep in mind, every product we're gonna unbox here is 59 bucks. Different sizes though, different amount that you're getting in each one. So anyway, without further ado, this is the Velvet. Let's check this guy out. See what we got here. I'm probably doing this the wrong way, and oh well. Let's see what we got here. So let's pop this guy open. Got a little Lavie Labs card in there, so that's cool, fancy. Keep in mind, I don't ever mess with skincare, anything, you know, I mean, face lotion, but outside of that, I don't really use anything. So this is all new to me. So just keep that in mind. So we got the box here. Let me close this guy up so you guys can kind of get a better look. So front, side, all the ingredients it looks like. At the other side, it's gonna walk you through how to use it, how often to use it, all that stuff. Back side, just kind of more website, all that. And the top of the box, but that's what you're looking at right there. This is what you're getting. This is a Velvet. And this is their Micro Exfoliating Cream. So this seemed to be a new product from what I was looking at on their website. I didn't even see this on their website, to be honest. It was in one of the emails they sent me when they contacted me. They let me know that they also included this stuff, how to use it, and a link for it as well. That's where I found the price, but kind of cool. Comes with this little guy here, and this will kind of, instead of having to dig your finger in to the jar to pull it out, that's what you use to get in there. So that is the Velvet Exfoliating Cream. Keep in mind, I'm going to be using these products for 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and let you know exactly how it all worked, what I thought of it, and just do a standard review for you guys. But initially I wanted to do this unboxing just so you guys kind of know what's going on, what I'm doing, and what's to come. So let's move on to the next product. This is the Ooh La La Face and Neck Booster Serum. So let's check this stuff out, see what we got here, see what all this looks like once we get in here. So pretty much same box. Oh, other thing too, this stuff is kind of interesting. It's all made in Israel. So that's something else too I noticed was kind of interesting. But same stuff, ingredients, how to use, all that stuff on the box. This is exactly what the product looks like. And so this is, you're getting 1.01 ounces of this stuff. 59 bucks for this as well. This is face and neck booster serum. So this is kind of cool because it has retinol and vitamin C in there. And so, you know, if you're familiar with skincare at all, those are definitely ingredients that you want in any kind of skincare line. So let's jump to the next one. This is the Hydro Lift. Once again, got some girly packaging. You know what I mean? I feel like that's one thing I will throw out there. You know, if they decide to watch this video after I drop it, you guys got to change your packaging up a little bit. If you're trying to target men at all, this packaging is not going to work. I told them I was going to do an honest, unbiased review, and you guys know me already. That's exactly what I'm doing. So almost the same box as the Velvet. So this is the Hydro Lift anti-aging cream, revitalizing, firming, and lifting cream to repair and replenish skin. So all the same stuff in the box, ingredients, how to use, all that. So I'm sure it's going to be pretty similar to that Velvet. Once again, got their cool little card in here. It says welcome to the Lavie Labs family on the back side. I mean, this stuff comes off like it's pretty high quality, so I guess we'll find out when we actually start using it how high quality it is. 1.69 ounces is what you're getting for this stuff as well. And like I said before, 59 bucks is where it's coming in at. They do have bundle deals as well, where you buy like multiple products, you get a break off the price. So this is the last product. This is Lumia. This is multi-dimensional platinum eye serum. And so this is something that might come in handy. Because to me, you know, I don't know. I've never really been heavy into any kind of, you know, products for your face and all that stuff. I just kind of refuse to use it. But this stuff seems like it might be pretty cool. This diminishes the appearance of under eye puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. So any guys out there that might have dark circles that you don't like the look of, then this stuff might be for you. But box, all the same stuff, instructions, how to use, ingredients, all that. This is only half an ounce. And like I said, you know, a few different times, 59 bucks is what you're looking at. This is what the product looks like. Once again, pretty girly, but we'll see. 2 weeks. I'm gonna use stuff for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna try all these men's products, I guess men's and women's skincare products. Let you guys know what I think in 2 weeks from now. So please stay tuned. Give me a huge thumbs up if you like the video. Comment below if you have questions about any of these skincare products that I didn't answer throughout this unboxing. I could kind of drop more knowledge. Please subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. Until next time, I'm the Grooming Guy. I'm out.